e4. Then what? I'm quite ill-suited to advise here, but you may see them play g6, known as the modern defense. Here I'd take the centre with d4. The main line of which is for them to play bishop g7, to which we opt for knight f3. What if they go here? Should they play d6, this could transpose into the King's Indian defence. I'd play bishop c4, the bishop attack. Then, against most moves, honour the QE2 and look to castle short. What if they go here? That doesn't amuse QE2. We're going to castle short and get our rook to the e-file. What if they go here? Then take that preposterous excuse for a c-pawn immediately. And if they then play queen a5 check, then block with our majestic c-pawn, and look out for queen b3, lining up with the bishop. What if they go here? b6 suggests they're going to flank on the queen side as well. And here I suggest you get castled and play knight c3. There's more, if I may. Aye. But after knight f3, you see, they may not play d6. Aye, but you may see them play c5, like the modern into the Sicilian defence. It's known as the Pterodactyl Defense. Here gets your second knight into the field. The theory here suggests to be defensive, to take back rather than take. But you look for bishop e3. And should they play knight f6, let them have it with e5. But what if... Yes? They don't go here. Yes, instead of catering on the king's side, they could play c6. Yes, known as the Gurgenidze Variation, I believe. Like black can't decide between the modern and Caro-Kann defence. Myself here, I would play the Austrian attack. Knight c3, f4, and knight f3. But what if they go here? Then push past with e5. And then what? Then play chess.